Yes.
Can you please give us what happened inside?
Well, they were here, Brikama Area Council with the entire team from the Inspector General of Police. We had a dialogue here with the local authorities in respect of our exercise that is clearing the road. As you all know, we've been doing this since last year, October, and we'll continue doing what we are doing. We are tasked to carry an exercise that is clearing the road, and we will continue clearing the road. Of course, we have people who crying here and there, but our advice is still going back to them, that let them avoid completely the public places. That is the road. The roads are meant for only communication. They are not meant for selling. They are not meant for any form of business other than the road. The council, we came here, they have their own constraint. You know, they're trying to dialogue, calling us to have a dialogue and see what is feasible and what is not feasible, which we welcome. We are not here to intimidate, we are not here to discourage any kind of business, because when we do, then we've already flicked over our responsibilities. Our responsibility is only to do our exercise in accordance with the laws of this land, and which we are here to exercise, we are here to do. We'll continue doing, like I said, we will clear the roads, but of course, what brought all this chaos is lack of communication, and that's why we're here today. And the Inspector General of Police came today. They have a concern. When we came here first day, we had cleared all roads within Brikama here and the surrounding, all right, and which involved the famous Nana Johnson that brought all these things. When we cleared, before we found structures, people built their canteens and structures on the road itself, and we demolished all. After demolishing that one, now we've seen hawkers, vendors coming to display their goods, meaning they're doing the same. Even though those people, they have canteens, a physical structure, but it's not mean. That doesn't mean that when we clear that the structures, people should come and occupy with their goods to sell the place. It's the same form. We are saying free the road. Whether vehicles are applying, vehicles are not applying. These are roads that are provided for communication. Okay. Now they have their own reason for bringing those vendors to go and sell, to allow them. They went and did the demarcation where we've already cleared. And before they do that, they know, we told them categorically, they know we are in the ground here. We cleared everywhere. If they have a reason why they're allowing those vendors to sell over there, they should have communicated to us. But for us clearing, after thinking everything is in control, then we had them, the councillors themselves, going and giving space to people. It looks like a provocation, and we are not here to provoke anybody. If we did not help the chairman and his people to carry on their tasks as expected from their voter population, then we are not fair to them. I mean, the chairman is not here for only one political party. He's serving the whole region. All right? I'm from Lamen. We are all under the same chairman. So we need to respect our authorities. We respect them. We give them respect. But in as much as we also expect the same respect to us, they cannot be sitting in this office trying to instigate people to come and get us in the market. That will only bring chaos. And that is not necessary. We are all one. The reason why we are here, please, we have a dialogue with them. They're doing some work over there. The concrete, they said, is within the curing process. When you do concrete, there's a process that it goes, it's called a curing process. It's going through that. That's why they went and allowed those vendors there. But they did not communicate. If they had communicated, we would allow, because no vehicle will be allowed to use that road. So that's why when the Inspector General of Police came, we went on the ground. They told them, told the Inspector General and the team, is from here to the council here that they're doing this, and they are pleading for Inspector General and the operation team to allow them to set the women around that road, within only that road from Nana Johnson, where the work is. Let them do their political self, and the Inspector General of Police gave them barely 1 week. And them themselves had to come back and clear, not to allow the operation team to come and do the same thing. So we have a dialogue, we have an understanding. That's where we are now. We had an understanding from them that the development, where the development is taking place, that is where they're making that concrete pavement is going under a curing process. And we will allow them women to use that for their fees. And after that, next Wednesday, tomorrow Wednesday, the following Wednesday, then they themselves had taken up on themselves to say the council has enough police. They will not even allow operation team to come back here to send those people away. They will clear everyone. And now, moving forward, their team is going to be added to our team. We will be doing the same what we are doing. We have the movement of vehicle and properties have to continue. Roads are not here to be blocked. Of course, people, they have their expectation, but not on the road. So that's why we're here. I mean, dialogue, a lack of communication brings this kind of thing. But in as much as we are talking as one government, of course, we are getting it there. And all of us, our motto is, we want to see this country being developed.
From now on, we see that, especially with the
Ninko Maslaha is different from dialogue. Hani Maslaha wo hani kumi manya na kele sabula no like hina wono wo mankele mba man ne ka kan wala foka all right dialogue nyomoyo wolon dialogue bar maslaha man ka nyomoyo pour nga nyomoy ni kan sul ni authorities man nyom aba ko le ala bakel do ko ba ko le ala bakel bol kon kan tol mi ka do ko lu lu nga trakti lo ko no nga tara jango ba tour la mo kini mo le bo man ken tol na fa aman ken tol la wuli ko bar min ben tol ma koy kam min ben tol wulinde kam wolo hadama dim tol momo be jambe alon nako ini alate ma yebula do ko min ne nyanta kelal ko ini alate tol man butu soto nyinto mo man tranta joka nyinna ka fako te mol wulinde silo kam be jole kan jole because mbado ko la Gambia government wo salary kilomon be ka wala soto ntenga lonne nim fata bi konti bole ben kan ba do ko ngaf ko di ko di sama na dimbar kan be balunde lala ngalon ala ban konti bola molla diamo mati nanta tan na do ko kala banna do ko kala bar min important ta wolon nyin ndesa min ke nyin to kenol nyin mo politicianol you cannot go against your own people million vote. You always want to defend them even they are wrong. But ntol coming for nintol ni tol man dialogue soro ntol duma doku lalle on the road operation nintol bula minna ntol saratol mu minti bankola saratol mu minti mo kana silo kay wa afro ko nga mol wulindi je nintol tata on the ground ntol bo mol wulindi la je bari amoy tol la responsibility as kan show ye nanan tol kan damen tol ya lonko itol ya fil ko wote tiñare ke la te abetol ma ko la ntol fana ma ko no do ko eta ñaato wi aw do sa op wolen si jam pour nga ñomoy
only one question that the position for is not operation clear the market, it's operation clear the road. Market belongs to the council. Yes, in Afula Lekajam, without dialogue with the council. Even money for a body, and what would be your new step?
Well, if I mean for it's
very simple.
It's simple question. Nana man dum marse kon. Nana man dum garas kono ka dum garas kono garas are built for a purpose. That is for vehicle to accommodate vehicle. Ninga je garasol centa molka ela atondi fili femol sama garaso kono sido ndimo men fo garaso ko mo to le findi mirkas lo silo kan e bo silo kay dum garaso kono ba klala la ko silo en man dum marché ko non te marché amankan na do koti duka dum marché kono ka mol wulinde ka fal findi jang nga mo tol dunde nyan tol mo kede ndol nga silol la no man dum ta dawoda silol la bije silol ñi is for communication. It is the interest of I'm interested both the people themselves the chairman for mol fongola na fa lon ka to marcel kono mol lebe kono to je milia lonko alaman tankal la posir bueno wo kan dimba samalo no marché temal bor ni silol min bulata marché kono ni emergency sita musol ni la palato ni ka si wo silol kam mol fa because nim pipi kumata wolbe wulnol ba nale kan tungol bil wol silol kan e se dimba boto kono to moto wadum no la prata dimba fa ba ata fa non birin nata na force go wala fo ni silol min be jam min fitita gara so na tata fo trust bank ye kantingol la loje moto ta dunno la je nkoy alwo kantingol wutu aba marché wala kono ban marché ka access work soto for the security of musol o mol mi fombo firolo o marché kono ngata wala ka mo accessibility bari dol man dum marché kono ka mo intimidate o ka mo bay marché ngal man tabu
no it's your team
ndam
you tell me
marché Bamodu now listen you've asked your question allow me to answer ndelo mo o video go and check video ni marché teba min tolo yew tabulu katabindo because ite bella disulo kekete bari marché kono min tolo ite fama ya jini ala tema marché min tolo isa video tandi na ngaje marché min tolo dunte yew tay another question yes hadama di dañala soto all right ntemo hadama dingol ti yelole be mbalo bala ntolbe mo baden kilingol ti jang nenta nga fo ni mil denta jam modol bi jawol balon nako ni denta la even this chairman bota wodi amol ima expecto ente bula tax min nanni ala tema mbake kan wolda because ani constitution la tata wala da mbake ka mo tente dun la kuto mi ya lonko la sama bina problème o dinna fen fen ni loi ban satol man ta ndabanta kala ndako mba minke kan ani bankola loi lo wala tan mbake ka ni mbake ka ni futata ni jelo futete tema lafte ibe dabanto o ibe minna o silo kay lafte prier boje est ce que itebenta sobe wolon la banta dañala woti mi entel lo yalla ko ndeman ko na face ni is not welcome baro mati na ko jawya dala na face moto change no lo mun dañal all right ala baraka ba